Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and if you are joining us for the very first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these mystery box openings. So this is actually my second box of Labubus that I will be unboxing. I was super ecstatic to get these tasty macaroons, and as you can see, they are popping up in all of my sneakers behind me, but I actually was able to get another box, this time the Have a Seat Labubus. This actually restocked on the Popmart website, and I was fortunate enough to get the notification that it restocked, and I carded it and I actually got it. Kudos to anybody who got the most recent restock on these. As most of you know, these are some of the most trending little cutie pies that you can attach to your purses, and they are extremely difficult to get. There's only a couple ways that you can get them. If you are good at the TikTok shopping lives, I give you major props because I cannot seem to cop a Labubu on there to save my life, but occasionally Popmart on their online store will get some restocks of some of the different lines that have dropped, and I was really wanting to have a seat, and I feel like my tasty macaroons need some friends, and so I can't wait to unbox this. I have no idea what's inside. I don't know if I'm gonna get a secret. For those of you who don't know what the secrets are, so as you can kind of see, these are all of the different Labubus, and typically when you buy the pack, you may actually be able to snag a secret, which is very hard and very rare, but very hard to do. So we'll see if we have a secret or not. I have no clue. I don't really care because I'm just happy to have each of these cutie pies to attach to one of my purses. And then, just as a topper, I also got a Smiski, and I've really been wanting these. This is a Smiski Hippers. So the Hippers actually are ones that you can attach to your phone. So as you can see here, these are the different options here. I don't really care which one I get, honestly, because I love the Smiskis so much. I think they're all so cute. Again, Smiskis, very difficult to get. These are super viral, super trendy right now. And I know there's a lot of people, actually, I think it's hilarious in the sneaker world, that are throwing some shade on these, and I really just don't care, honestly. Like, if you like something, get it for you. If you don't like it, keep it to yourself. Like, let people have their hobbies, let them have their interests. Lisa from Blackpink is a huge fan of Labubus, and so am I, and I don't care if people don't like them. This is something that I've grown to love, and I've been a huge fan of Popmart. If you've seen videos in the past couple years, like I was there at the store opening for Popmart before they actually had Labubus. I've been super into these really cutesy, artsy mystery boxes. I just think it's like so fun to be able to have a hobby and to have different interests in certain things, and I think that's what makes us all unique. So don't hate on people for their different interests and their different hobbies. All right, let's jump into it. Let's open this. I am so ecstatic. I just don't even know what's going to be in here, but I love my Labubus so much. So we're going to get this plastic wrap off. Actually, you know what? Let's do Smiski first. Sorry. Had to switch it up, everyone, on you. We'll do that one last. So let's see. I was trying to shake this actually to see which Smiski I thought it was, and it felt like it was a smaller one, not a laying down one, but we shall see anyways. Yeah, this is definitely not going to be one of the laying down options. I think it's going to be a cutie on the top. Oh, let's see which one it is. Oh, this is a cute one. This is the sleeping one. How cute. This is actually me, so this may be perfect. So let's see which one. Actually, this is, oh no, this is a sleeping one. I thought this was a secret one for a second. I was gonna start screaming, but yeah, this is the sleeping guy. How cute is it? Kind of actually looks like he's wearing a beanie, but this is adorable. Show you what he looks like. And he actually just attaches to my phone. I'm gonna show you what he looks like when I'm gonna attach him. How adorable is that though? He fits perfectly on the cell phone. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that. He's not perfectly attached. And then he's got a cute little bottom on the back. But yes, my sleeping Smiski. I'm so excited. You're so adorable. Okay, now back to our Labubus. Okay, now we're gonna open up this plastic and see what we have inside. maybe giving tips as well. Like if you have a Popmart store near you as well, I've been trying to actually get the in-store pickup, which I've yet to do, but there also is a vending machine in American Dream where people will wait outside of. I actually was there when they restocked one of those machines, but I feel like they need to have a limit for how many you can buy in the machine, because I feel like resellers have now kind of just stocked those machines and they're very difficult to get. All right, so let's open up this. And now, starting with the first one. So I'll face this so you guys can kind of see. They all have really cute names. So different names from the Tasty Macaroons, which have cute little flavor names. So first up, which one do you think I am gonna unbox first? Anyone? I'm gonna guess that this is Dada. Let's see if it's Dada. It's not Dada. This one is Zizi. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Zizi is like a nice, fluffy lavender colorway. Ear was a little bent there, but you are adorable. So I don't think I have, yeah, there's not really a lavender color in the the Tasty Macaroon one. So I love that I have purple. I actually have purple nails too. Look how perfect my nail color goes with cute little Zizi. And let's just pull the little card out for her. So you can see each one comes with these adorable cards. Let me actually like put my hand behind it so you can see it better. All right, Zizi, let's meet the rest of your friends. Again, we still don't know if we're gonna get the secret in here, but it would be really, really cool to get a secret for the very first time. All right, now that we've opened up this one, we'll put this off to the side. Okay, I'm still gonna guess that this is gonna be Baba. Haven't been good at guessing. Oh, definitely not Baba for this one. Oh, how cute. So this one is Hee Hee, which is kind of a light gray colorway. Kind of reminds me of Sesame Bean, but as you can see, it's kind of like actually a different gray. It's even lighter, more of a heather gray tone. Put you back up there. All right, now let's get the card so you can see how cute Hee Hee is. Hee Hee, oops. Literally saying hee hee, like trying to hold this up for you in a cool way, and I'm struggling. All right, there you go, Hee Hee. Card didn't really stand. Next up, could you be Baba? I'm not really like good at guessing right now. So let's see if this one is gonna be Baba or not. I don't know. Or it could be a secret, who knows? One can only be so lucky. Oh, this is gonna be QQ. QQ is cute too. He's kind of like this nice seafoam green colorway, which I actually really love wearing in the summer and springtime. So this is gonna be a really fun one to style. I'm trying to think of like some sneakers too, because I have so many like good colors to style QQ with. You are adorable, QQ. All right, now let's get QQ's card out of the mix. All right, now you can see QQ's little card there. All right, we're halfway done. Still don't know if we're gonna get a secret, but we're gonna keep chugging along here. See what we have next. Still haven't gotten a Dada yet. Let's see. Or Baba, not Dada. Oh no, we haven't had Dada or Baba. Kind of sounds like baby talk, actually, the names. So like the first words a kid would learn. Oh, okay, so I think this one is Baba. So let me show you Baba. Should be like turning these around so you can see them. Do your little Baba dance. He's kind of like a nice tan colorway. This will be like really good to style with some khaki pieces. But here is Baba's little card. Welcome to the family, Baba. All right, 2 more, and we still don't know if we have a secret or not. There's still some time. All right, let's see. Oh, this one's card was on the top, so I already know who this one's gonna be. I don't like when they have the card at the top, because then it kind of spoils it since you already know who's in the package. This one is going to be Cece. CC looks way more yellow on the package than it does in person. This is kind of like a peach tone instead of a yellow. Like I really thought that this was going to be more of a yellow tone, but it's more of a sorbet kind of orange hue here. And let me just grab the card. Like as you can see too, it's a little bit more yellow on the card too. All right, well, honestly, I think it's more, I was excited for that one because butter yellow is like the new trending color right now, but that's cool. All right, last but not least, drum roll everyone. Is it the secret? Is it not the secret? I have no idea. What could it be? Thank goodness the card wasn't at the top, so it didn't give it away. Here we go. Let's see which one it is. Close my eyes. This one is, I think this one is Dada, so I don't think we got the secret in this one. Let me just triple confirm who this one is. Yeah, this one's Dada, so we didn't get a secret this time, but Dada's super cute. So we have the pink colorway. It's like a nice powder pink, but different than some of them. So you can kind of see like Dada has cute little heart eyes, but each of them have different eyes. So some eyes are open, some eyes are closed and just really scrunching their eyes. And I love that they just have like a little bit of different personalities. Oh, I'm so excited though. I have the entire collection, of course, except for the secret for the Have a Seat. Let me know in the comments which one in the collection is your favorite and did you get the secret? All right, everyone, that is it for this secret unboxing. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to hit that subscribe and let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next episode.